So we know that equation of ellipse x square plus a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is the equation for vertical ellipse also. So what is the difference with the horizontal ellipse? Okay, in the horizontal ellipse, a greater than b greater than 0, but in vertical ellipse, b greater than a greater than 0, like that. And now you know that major axis is y-axis in this case. So if the major axis is y-axis, then this will be somewhere here. Okay, so you can say this one is f1 and this one is f2. So f1 is ae comma not ae comma 0. This will be 0 comma be, and f2, that will be 0 comma minus be, and the eccentricity will be under root 1 minus a square by b square. Center is origin only. Center is origin, and the major axis is y-axis. So equation of major axis is x is equal to 0. So what about minor axis? So minor axis is y is equal to 0. Okay, and the length of minor axis 2a. Here length of major axis, length is 2b, like that. So vertices. Vertices are what? Vertices are point of intersection of major axis and ellipse. So this will be 0 comma plus minus b. Okay, and equation length. Okay, fine. Here the end points of the minor axis will be plus minus a comma 0. Parametric coordinates will be same. Why? Because equation, there is no change in original standard equation. Huh? Only the change is b greater than a greater than 0. This is the change. So the parametric equation is same. It will be a cos theta, b sin theta, like that. And of course, there is a change in the latus rectum also. No, latus rectum will be somewhere here. So this will be latus rectum, and the second latus rectum will be here, right? So if we talk about in plural latus recta, so what about latus recta? Like y is equal to plus minus be, right? And what about endpoints? So endpoints of this latus recta will be, for the first one will be be comma plus minus a square upon b, and minus be comma plus minus a square upon b. How will you get these? So for this, basically the latest end points of the latest rector, you will get the point of intersection of this first equation and the this equation of ellipse. So if you simply put y is equal to plus minus be here, so you will definitely get these points. Like if you put here x square upon a square and then plus b square e square upon b square is equal to 1, like that. So you will get x square is equal to a square 1 minus e square, and you know very well that a square is equal to b square 1 minus e square. So basically you will get a x is equal to plus minus a square upon b. So like that you will get point of intersection of endpoints, or point of intersection of lattice rectum and ellipse. Fine. And what this is the equation. And what is the length of lattice rectum? Length will be 2a square upon b. Okay. So here what you have learned in the vertical ellipse? First of all, center. Okay. And the equation will remain same. So vertical ellipse equation will remain same. Fine. And the equation of minor axis. This is y is equal to 0. Equation of major axis, x is equal to 0. Formula of eccentricity is changed. That is 1 minus a square upon b square. Vertices are changed. Fine. There is no change in parametric coordinate. Fine. Equation of lattice recta and points. Fine. And length, like that. Okay. Fine.